Okay, so what is up guys? Today we will be unlocking the new weapon. Now it's kinda late, I guess you could say. It's 1 p.m. Very kinda late for me. Usually I wake up at 7 a.m. but this is the new riot shield. Shove your enemies out of the way. Absorbs most damage sources. Absorbs damage from behind while unequipped. Sheesh. Skins. Sled. Oh yeah! This is like revealing in a door. Don't think we need a door. Am I right guys? Who needs a door? Not me. I need a shield. What wrap you guys think looks the best for it? Ooh, Aurum on the Medkit bundle or the DLL from the I think like Click or from the DLL. Oh, I think the DLL and look, it like looks so futuristic. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. So now let's test it out. Move speed. Oh, -%. It's okay. We can like use. Oh, is this? What's this? Oh, it's a melee. We can use the dagger for move speed. Plus 15. It's just after do more. Yeah. Let's tell my friend I'm using the new weapon. Oh, we got a Nova Wrap on our task. I hope we can get the Super Nova Wrap. I'll be surprised. Also, I just noticed inside free for all. I wonder how people will say. I didn't even check the contracts. Did we check out the contract? Damage absorbed. Do you guys want me to get the diamond? I might just get the golden diamond. It's actually insane. Get away! Ooh, yeah. You want that? Huh? Do you? Oh, I love that. I love the new riot shield. Bye. Oh, they still got me with the dagger. I guess it's like the katana, but just takes up your entire screen. I'm gonna need to use the daggers from mobility. Gotcha! Good! Oh hell, it's so hard! Oh, I got them. Let's go. We actually kinda got them. Get away! Get away from... Oh my gosh. We just died from the daggers and RPG. I don't... Dude, it's not taking the damage for me. What can the riot shield block? Hello, dude? Are you okay, man? Like, dude, where did he go? Come here. You're not safe. You're just like you. I'm not safe. I'm not safe. Ooh. Rival 6969. Funny number. My mouse is like stuck. Oh, I got blood. How do you absorb the damage? Ow. Oh, that? Oh, hell nah! How do you absorb damage? I don't understand. Let's work on the assault rifle. What? How do you actually absorb the damage? If he died. Oh, portal ramp and the blue steel, but how do you absorb damage? It's gonna go for like how do right shields absorb damage? How? You might use the weapons that have came out. Yo, what's going on? How do you absorb damage? How do me absorb damage? How do I absorb damage? Get slapped! Get clapped! Sheesh! Hold up, what was that? Bye bye! Never mind. I don't know what the red shield does. Maybe it's like the katana. When you right click. Maybe it's like the katana where you right click. Or you hold it. I know when you... Oh, maybe this is how you shield. Oh, I think it's a katana. Nope, it's not. How come the katana can block when someone's shooting, but this thing cannot? Wait a minute. Oh, the wall works! No way. No. Assault work. Holy shit! I can stand in the corner! Then if I try to hit me, it's impossible! All it takes is just to go behind me, then I'm dead. Never mind. A satchel can destroy me. Oh my gosh, it's actually so cool! Guys, this has to be the coolest weapon you ever seen. Unknown death. What? I'm not dead, by the way. You try your hardest, but I still... don't try your hardest. Don't try your hardest. No way. I hate the fall top down. Even though I use buddy. Come on, shoot me. I dare you. I dare you to shoot me. I dare you, bruh. I dare you. Dare you to shoot me. They're all like, what is this guy doing? How can he not take damage? They're probably like that. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So now, hit the like, subscribe button, and Leon is gone. Sheesh, the riot shield is amazing.